Experiencing problems with your car's aux cable? You're not alone. Despite the rise of Bluetooth, many vehicles still rely on the 3.5 mm aux input. Here are the most common issues drivers face. First, test your cable with multiple devices to ensure the cable itself isn't the problem. Try your phone, tablet, or laptop. If the cable works with some devices but not others, the issue may be compatibility or the car's aux port. Next, inspect the cable for visible damage like kinks or breaks. Pay special attention to areas near the connectors where cables commonly fail due to repeated bending. Look for frayed wires, bent connectors, or damaged insulation. Clean the aux port in your car using compressed air or a cotton swab with 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol. Gently insert and rotate the connector to clean the contacts. This removes oxidation and debris that commonly cause connection issues. Make sure the cable is fully inserted into the aux port until you hear or feel it click into place. Don't force it. The connector should slide in smoothly. Also check that your device's volume is turned up and that your car stereo is set to the aux input mode. Following these troubleshooting steps will resolve most common aux cable issues. If problems persist after testing, cleaning, and ensuring proper connections, the issue may require professional diagnosis or port replacement. When basic cleaning and troubleshooting don't resolve your aux cable issues, professional solutions become necessary. The most direct approach is aux port replacement. Alternatively, aftermarket solutions offer more flexibility and often better value. Bluetooth adapters that plug directly into your aux port are increasingly popular, providing wireless connectivity without permanent modifications. For newer vehicles without aux ports, specialized adapters can integrate directly with your car's audio system. These USB solutions provide both charging and audio connectivity. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting away from aux ports. New car models increasingly omit these connections in favor of wireless technology and USB-C integration. Despite the industry's shift toward wireless connectivity, 35% of users still prefer wired connections for superior audio quality. This creates a lasting market for aux solutions in existing vehicles. The aux cable may be aging technology, but smart solutions and professional services ensure your audio connectivity needs are met, whether through repair, replacement, or innovative aftermarket alternatives.